I'm sorry, what?
Give me ice cream. Buy.
Huh? Buy you what?
Ice cream.
Buy ice cream for you? You are too small for ice cream. Okay. Alrighty. Going to look for some cats. Haven't been able to take them any food for 3 days through the typhoon. This is the tail end of the typhoon. I can't remember the name of it. God, they need a crosswalk there. I don't think we're going to find any cats because they're down in the sewers like the penguins. That vision stuck in my brain, Danny DeVito, the penguin. You know, that's all he will ever be to me ever again. His whole thing with Taxi and anything else he ever did. You know, it doesn't matter. That's all he raced. He's only the penguin. That's all. That was just quintessential Danny DeVito. You know, the penguin. He's a freaking penguin. Okay, and I bet you, his wife. I bet that's all she can see also. And you know, so what happened? What happens when they go to bed together and slip under the covers and slip off the clothes and thinking about stuff, and all she can do is laugh. You know, the penguin's doing me. Oh my God, stupid shit that gets into our brains. It's truly stupid. What's this light doing? 17. Oh yeah. Good thing I didn't go. I was gonna go, and I didn't go. I thought better of it. Here we go. You notice that these drivers are crazy and they're inconsiderate and they're rude, but you will seldom see them racing around, spinning tires, fishtailing, slide to stops at the stoplight. That's an American shit thing. You don't see that in the Philippines. You don't see it very much in the rest of Southeast Asia, but you really don't see it in the Philippines. Sometimes you do, but it's really rare. Not like every third light in America. God, those are obnoxious people in the U.S. Jesus, I really, every day here, anywhere in Southeast Asia, any country, every day I'm thankful that I'm not in the USA. Jesus. Yeah, the government's somewhat more together in some ways. It's worse in some other ways. The businesses are more together. Often, not always. But the people are just freaking whacked. Now we got gridlock here. This will be fun. Now it's good for pedestrians. Except when they start to move and then the cars lurch. Because they don't know you're there. And they bump you. Pretty common. Okay. This corner, right here in this park, this is the cat park. This corner, almost every single time, this is where the cats come from. And I cannot find any place that they're coming from. I have searched through these bushes. I have. See, they go down in these sewers, I'm pretty sure. But where? Where do they get down there? There's nothing. There's no... I've searched and searched. There's no holes. There's no nothing down there. The only place there's a hole is here where they got the plumbing, and I've looked down in there, and I can't see any holes that lead off anywhere else. It's just a blind box, and they're not down there now. You know, it's all soaky wet. It's 2-3 inches of water. I do not know. It's a mystery. Determined to solve it with my little tiny camera. Wish I had one of those sewer cameras. I'd go down there, we'd find the little bastards then. But when I go over there and call for them, the universal cat call that usually makes them come running, nothing, they don't come. Maybe 5 minutes later they'll come. I think they wait to make sure you're not looking to see where they're coming out of. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to do a pass through the park here. I brought a little bit of food and check on this real bad off kitty up here. Then I'll go over and see my friend GV. And then maybe go do a teeny little bit of shopping at Landmark. I get too cranky when I go in Landers. That place just doesn't sit well with me. It just doesn't sit well. I don't mesh with Landers. And if you read the reviews on it, a lot of people don't mesh with Landers. I think the people doing the stocking and restocking, I think they're just insane. They're just insane. I went in one day, had a real bad acid reflux going on, tried to get some Tums. No, we don't have that, no. It's a superstore. It's a 2-floor superstore. No, we don't have Tums. I said, okay, any other antacid, I don't care. No, we don't have, no have. Every name I listed off, they didn't have it. Superstore, it's a superstore. Oh, there he is. There's a kitty. Meow meow. Meow meow meow. He doesn't want to go out in the rain. Yeah, I can give you a little bit of food. See, his food's all just soaking wet. Here, let me try to get this open. Okay, I'm trying, just wait. And they make these packages so you can't open them. This is all through the Philippines. All through the Philippines, you can't open their packages. Okay, there's a little slit there, but not even with your teeth can you open it. And I don't have a knife. What sons of bitches. It's just one of the billion things. That pisses you off in the Philippines. You just get sick of it. That one broke a tooth. Son of a bitch. They go through all the trouble of manufacturing, the research and manufacturing. They build the factory. They do the advertising. They set up the sales. Oh, well, let's see. We forgot to make it so you could open the package. Yeah, that's good for sales. Son of a bitch. Okay. Here, kitty. Come on. Come on, you gotta go in the rain. Here you go. Here, I got the umbrella. Come on. Come on, here you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, it's not that bad out here. Look, here's an umbrella. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm not going to play this game. If you're not that hungry, then I can't help you. The whole package wasted because that's going to get wrecked in the rain in about 3 minutes. Come on. There's no other place to put it. I'm not going to put it in the dirt. I'm not going to put it in the grass where you can't get it. So he's got to come up to the curb. Everything else is just soaky wet. No place to put it. Okay, kitty, that's it. No more for you. No. We only help needy cats here. Oh, God. I can't remember the name of this typhoon. It was a pretty strong one. And it's been going for, well, including the wind-up to it, about 4 or 5 days. pretty wet one. A lot of them are not this wet, depending on where they pass by, how much water they picked up while they were living. This is a long soaking rain. The clouds are evenly diffused. Nothing blowing through, it's just a huge blob. Wind's not blowing, so staying dry. No, he must be on the other side. Okay. I was going to mention before, I go through all kinds of contortions to get every kind of mic for these little cameras. And some work better than others. DJI Mic 2 is pretty good, and the Rode Wireless Go 2, that's pretty good, and I guess some others, some off-brands, and they're okay. But they're a pain, you know. You gotta link them to your camera. They lose the link all the time because it's Bluetooth, and Bluetooth is bullshit. But this Insta360 Go 3S, I think it is, the latest one. In the first place, you can't pair it with any external mic. But you don't have to. This is mounted on a hat clip, so it's way up above my face. And yet the audio is really not bad. It's really not bad. It's acceptable. I can clean it up in post. A lot of times I'm too lazy. I don't even do that. Okay, we're in High Street, of course, everybody knows that. I don't know. That might have been GB over there, but I can't see that far. Walk over and take a look. No, I don't think so. What TV or not? I can't tell. No, it doesn't look like it. It looks too short. Huh. This rock thing here, the rock thing on the stilts, it's hollow. It's got a billion holes in the bottom of it. And they got a big recirculating pump. And I turn that on and it makes it rain out of the bottom of the rock. And it's kind of a cool effect, and it draws a lot of people, and the little kids come and run through it on the hot days, and everybody takes pictures of it and cools the air a little bit. It's a cool thing. I like it. The problem is that the recirculating pump goes out like every 3 months. And when it's out, a lot of times it'll be out for 6 months. And they order new ones from China for, $39 US.
You're with?
Oh, I'm working on the.
Oh yeah, really?
I work on the video for your son,
Oh yeah, really?
but my app crashed. My app stopped and stopped and stopped
yeah.
and stopped. So I get a new app
Already download again. for
tonight.
the new apps.
Tonight I put on.
Yeah,
Yeah, I send you a link tonight.
yeah.
Yeah. It's good, clear. It's good video. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. But I don't have a sound. I don't know why.
Sound.
I don't know why. I'll try more.
It's sometimes the cat's like in your pocket.
Yeah. Yeah, but today, now about 10 minutes,
Yeah.
I have an eye open and I give for the cat. He's very, very hungry. He's very, very thin.
Oh yeah.
He won't eat it.
What happened to the
I
cat?
don't know. They're spoiled.
I don't know in the other side because even though we see another building, it's not kitty. The smaller one.
Oh,
Just
really?
Old.
Today?
Yeah, yeah. I don't know if there's in the other side.
Oh, what color?
It's black.
Black?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I try to give him the food. Oh, that makes me very sad. I don't like to see that. Oh, it's terrible. I want to take him to your condo. Make him warm.
Yeah. How about your access control? It's okay.
The what?
Your access control card. It's okay.
Yeah, they make new one.
Working.
Four times they make new one.
Yeah. But no more payment. It's okay.
Oh, no payment. Oh, boy. They say they have a problem with the computer
Yeah.
every month on number 1
Yeah.
that stop the card.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, I don't care. Fix it. Jeez.
Fix it to that. No more hassle.
No, I'm tired of
No
it.
hassle with that kind of even if cards
Ah.
not working.
So I made a very bad letter. I give them very bad letter. I tell them, fix the card. You fix my water. You fix everything.
Oh yeah.
And next day, all fixed.
There's a problem of your water.
Yeah, for about, I don't know, 2 weeks. My water,
Going
it goes very slow, then it goes very fast, then very slow, then very fast. Oh, jeez, God. And it goes very hot, very cold, very hot, very cold. Oh, the bird.
It's a very traffic today, heavy traffic.
Yeah, a lot of traffic.
Going
I
the
see
other
that,
side.
yeah. When I walk around, I see a lot of traffic. A lot. Yeah. All right. Now I go home. Oh no, I want to see the kitten. Where? Oh, I go look over there.
Side. I don't know if there's
Okay.
there's a kitten on the other side, but
Oh, by the street?
yeah.
Oh, far.
The
Okay.
other side.
Okay, I go look.
I don't know
Yeah.
if it's there or it's just walking
Yeah.
because he's bored. Like
Yeah. Okay, I go look for the cat. And I tell him he can go GV home. Okay, we're looking for a black kitten that's shivering in the rain. That's our mission right now. Let's see. Yeah, still recording. That's pretty amazing. Still recording. They made it a whole 20-30 minutes and still recording. That's just like a record. Actually, the Go 3 or whatever the hell this thing is, it doesn't crop out all that often. The one that really crops out is the GoPro. Anything GoPro. It just I would be astounded if it was still working. The GoPro. I have zero faith in them now, just zero. Okay. See if we can find a black kitten. God, he could be anywhere. Could be anywhere at all. Maybe somebody took him in. Maybe he's shivering in the bushes somewhere. Shit, I hate that. I hate it. Bad enough to see an adult cat in that situation, but a kitten, you know, they're just helpless. No, I don't see any cats. Take a look up here. Nothing I can do for him. I've got a little tube of treats, you know. All that's going to do is give him a little energy for a few hours. Not really going to help him. He's probably in the bushes. And he doesn't know the universal cat call, so no point in calling for him. You got to teach him that. You see the cat, the small baby cat? You see him? Oh, okay. Oh, meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh. Yeah, I know, he's very cold. I have some treat. Meow, meow. Oh, okay, I have some treat. Look. Look. He's really, really young. I'm thinking 9-10 weeks, if that. Where the hell did they come from? Most of them are dropped, but I don't know. He can barely even eat that. That's a real soft thing, almost like a donut. And he can barely even eat that. He's barely even weaned. Okay, here you go. Okay, you eat all of that. Oh. Okay. Boy. You can go your home. Okay, all I can do. Okay. I should be working with a cat rescue, but I can't get along with most of them. God, they have good hearts, but they're weird. Annoying. I don't know why. Can't put my finger on it. When you get older, everybody is annoying, so. Let's see, am I still recording? Yeah, still recording. How much time we got? No, I got a little while. That's amazing. I like this camera. She's not happy. She's not happy. Oh, no, not the pamphlet, not the pamphlet. No, 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 no. Jeez, I hate those. You ever play that game VR called Moss, M-O-S-S? The main character, and it's a little mouse called Quill. And Quill has to go around and do a bunch of missions and shit like that. Have to do a lot of fighting. It's a lovely game. It's probably the most lovely game for all VR. Okay. And Quill encounters all kinds of little monster things she has to kill and outsmart and defeat. And one of them is looks like a little walking roll of toilet paper, and they're green, they're upright, little legs, and they go after Quill, and they make a sound when they're going after her, and they go like that. And when they get close enough to her, they blow themselves up. And if they're close enough, it kills her. And the whole point of that little story is to tell you that these people with the pamphlets trying to sell you condos, that's exactly how I see them. I see them as those little green toilet paper things trying to chase me and blow me up. Shit. Well, that little bit of food probably fill up that tiny kitten. But I don't know how much good that's going to do her. I just hope it buys her enough time and enough energy. Oh, there's a big fat lunker right there. Won't even open the eyes. My God, that's sickening. Won't even open the eyes. If I pull the foot, will you open your eyes? No, she still won't open the eyes. Oh my God. That's spoiled. No fear. No fear whatsoever. Okay, I'm going to make a quick pass through the cat park. I'm not going to find any cats, but I'm going to go through it anyway. Maybe I'll go have coffee. Keep me working all night. Hopefully there's no turkeys walking around filling up all the seats at the coffee shop. And I can just sit and relax a while. It's under shelter, so oh yeah, raining now, raining now. This is, I was born into this weather, so this really doesn't bother me at all. I think, what is Ketchikan, what do they get? Over 10 feet. Let's see, 12, no, it's way over 10 feet of rain a year. I mean, it just rains all the time. Your life is rain. And it can wear on you. It wears on a lot of people. It wears on a lot of people who are born into it even. But, you know, I have a high tolerance to it because I lived much of my life in it. Logging, commercial fishing, towboats, whatever. It's rain, you know, that's just life. That's just the world. It's rain. Filipinos, I don't understand them because that's kind of their life too. It rains here for like 8 months out of the year. And yet, if you try to get them to do anything, to walk anywhere, even to go from the taxi to the mall, no, I cannot. They have a rain. No, I can't go in the rain. It will make you sick. Every single one of them will give you that shit. Oh, now we got a breeze. And I just, several of them I just gave up on them. I said, okay, girl. You could have gone to the mall. We could have bought you some amount of lovely stuff. Dinner, lunch, hanging around. But you're scared of the rain, so okay. Good luck. Have a nice life. And after they cancel dates about 3 or 4 times, I just say, okay, thank you, bye, block. Just tired of it. I'm sensitized to it. And I don't understand it because they're born into it. I don't know who the hell tells them that they'll die if they get rain on them. Maybe the government, I don't know. They believe anything the government tells them. And it's really sad that they do. Yeah, there's no cats here. None whatsoever. Sometimes in the rain you'll find one under this bench here, this orange bench. But not today. I don't have any treats anyway. I gave them all up. Okay, let's go check that sick cat and see if he even ate what I left there. I doubt it. And then we'll go over and look at the coffee situation. It's rainy enough, there might not be anybody there. So far my typhoon-proof umbrella has held up, but, you know, it could change at any given second. Ah, this is windy. This is windy. Good paragliding. Good paragliding, yeah. I had a lot of airplanes in that. One of them was a 1946 or 47 Luscombe 8A, little single engine thing, 2-place. A lot of fun. And we took off one day without checking the weather. Stupid, my fault. And we ended up flying in 101 mile an hour winds. We made it back to the airport. We're on downwind. My brother in it. We're on downwind, and I said, hey, you know, I hate to tell you this, but I don't think we're going to make it because we're getting rolled, you know, 70, 80 degrees, and I got no control whatsoever. And he chuckled like I was kidding.
Sir, give me ice cream.
I'm sorry, what?
Give me ice cream. Buy.
Huh? Buy you what?
Ice cream.
Buy ice cream for you? You are too small for ice cream. If you want ice cream, you must be this big.
Sir, me.
Really?
Sir, birthday tomorrow.
Okay, you tell him what you want. Cheap.
Me too.
No, you were too old for ice cream. You must.
Ano po? Milk tea. Ang gusto ko. Protein na lang. Passion fruit.
Pwede niya i-vlog yun pagka masamahin, ganun na lang kausap ko.
You have umbrella? No. Oh.
Ano lang, wait lang. Rookie ayun ang kaso.
Pagka masamahin na lang yan.
Mango. Wait lang, wait lang. Ayun ang dark brown sugar dark chocolate bourbon sa. Ayun yung brown sugar.
Anong company yan yung nila?
Same, same.
Yan. Ito kaya
You get small? Small?
ano yung brown sugar dark chocolate bourbon. Ayun.
Oh.
Wala ka ng kamay?
Oh, now you will be fat. Fat. Yeah.
Sir, kasi naka-experience ka. Sir, yung vlogger ba siya? Ano sir? Sir, yung vlogger? Do you, Sir, vlogger?
Huh?
You're a vlogger? No.
Blogger.
Vlogger? Vlogger?
You want to make a face? You want to...
Vlogger yun na? Sir, vlogger?
Blogger.
Say mo what name? Sabi mo, what is your name? Sir, what is your name? Your YouTube?
Oh. Chen,
Chen?
Bear,
Chen Bear
Travel,
Travel
Channel.
Channel. Chen Brel Travel Channel.
Yeah.
Sir, where's the room?
Huh?
Where's the room?
Where's my home? Here, BGC. I live BGC.
Sa the BGC.
Yeah, you can see my home. You can see the building have a brown, have a white. My home.
Grabe view, tignan mo. How old are you? How old are you? Sir, how old are you?
100.
Huh? Sir? Feeling? Sir? Really? Sir, feeling?
Huh?
Really? Really?
Oh. Joking.
Ano? Joking. Joking. Ano yan? Hero. So, how old are you? Sir, you have sir, you have a child? Isa lang eh.
Right.
Same. Isang like, sa kanila.
Very wet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are welcome. Now you can go swim in the rain.
Kuya! Kuya!
Okay. Have a nice day. have any treats for you. No, because the little teeny tiny kitty got them all. Yeah, and you're not very hungry anyway because you have a lot of food. Okay. 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 You think that's just your lap now? You think it's just reserved for you at all times? Okay. I know it's raining out there. I don't like it either. Really. Not that much. I wish I had more food. I know the business does not like it when I buy for a girl, but I don't care. It makes me happy.
Yeah.
Same I get for the cat.
Thank you.
Purring. Wow, that's pretty good. Purring from a street cat. Wow. I think we are old friends now. Yeah. You think so? How's my battery? Not really very good. Oh no, it's almost dead. Shit. Okay, we're going to shut down, try to charge up this battery a little bit. About 15-20 minutes.